Another thing you can do is actually render this in Revit. So if you click on render up here in the view tab while you're in a 3D view, it will give you a render dialog box. You can set this guy to high is probably the best, and go ahead and leave it, you can leave it set to screen. If you do printer, I would probably, yeah, set it to 150, but screen may be okay. It's basically going to print it the size that it's on the screen. Um, so I'm going to leave it set to screen for this print. And then you can go through and render this guy. So I'm going to click render, and it's going to start rendering. Bring this dialog box out. So it's going to render. Looks like it's going to take about 30 seconds, so I'll just pause until it's done. Okay, so it's done rendering. It's a little dark, but you can actually adjust the exposure here. So I'm just going to go in to the adjust exposure down here, and ooh, that's a little bright. Let's take it. Let's just go ahead and type in 12 and see what that looks like. 12 looks pretty good. Still a little grainy, but at this point you can actually export this. So if I click on export, I can save this as Revit, right, and it will save it out as a JPEG. I can also save it to the project, and if I click on save to project, I'll call it view 3rd floor. Right, you'll see it'll add a renderings, and it will add that view 3rd floor as a rendering. So you can go ahead and render out from Revit as well. The other thing you can do is render out from Inkscape. So we'll do that. Close this guy down.